This is Principal Mighty again, and I'm on the roof. It was 2009, I believe, when the students sent me to the roof because they met my reading challenge. Guess what? This is our 100th year Centennial, and again, I will be putting out a challenge in February, the Principal's Reading Challenge. And if our students meet that challenge, not only will I be coming to this roof to sleep in the cold of winter, but 4 other teachers will join me. So it's the 5 for the roof challenge. If you can raise $5,000 in addition to the students meeting the reading challenge in February, you get to send 5 teachers, including Principal Mighty, to the roof just like you did in 2009.
For nearly 20 years, PCAA's Principal's Reading Challenge has been a beloved tradition in honor of I Love to Read Month. It's more than just a challenge. It's a way to inspire students to engage in the joy of reading, proving that books have the power to shape minds, open doors, and build a brighter future. No one knows this better than Principal Ian Mighty. Over the years, he's taken on some wild challenges to motivate students. Marching through Transcona dressed as a pharaoh, flipping pancakes for the entire school, spending the day dressed as a chicken, and yes, he's even slept on the roof in the freezing cold. This year, for PCAA's 100th anniversary, the challenge is bigger than ever. If students exceed their reading goal and raise $5,000, Principal Mighty, along with 4 other teachers, will spend a night on the roof once again. But here's the thing, they don't think the students can do it.
Look, I'd love to support you all, but reaching $5,000 will take a miracle. You're not gonna get it at all.
Grade 3 to grade 12, I'm very sure you guys are not reading. If you want me to sleep on the roof, you guys have to read and you have to meet up with the $5,000 because I'm very expensive. You want me to sleep on the roof. It's a challenge to you all.
So you want to see me sleep on the roof? That will never happen. You will never be able to read enough minutes to raise $5,000. I will never sleep on that roof.
You think you're gonna make your $5,000 to get me on that roof? Well, kids, it ain't happening. I will be here in my nice, cozy sweater while you guys pretend that you're reading for 5,000 minutes or $5,000, but it ain't happening.
Well, hello guys. I know what you guys are trying to do here. Yeah, I really do. You know, it was 15 years ago when the students read me to the roof. Then I didn't think they could do it, but they proved me wrong. But you know what? This time around, the stakes are even higher. I mean, $5,000, so many words per minute, 5 teachers to the roof. Guys, you have about a little under 3 weeks to make this happen. I really doubt it. I like staying warm. Mind you, it was terrible. It was brutal when they sent me to the roof 15 years ago. And you guys really seriously want to do this again? I don't think so. I know what you guys are trying to do. You're trying to raise community support to send me and 4 other teachers to the roof again. Bring it on.
This is your chance to prove them wrong. Celebrate PCAA's legacy and support a great cause. All funds raised will go towards PCAA's kitchen renovation project, making a lasting impact for future students. So, Are you up for the challenge? Let's help PCA students turn the page, reach their goal, and send these teachers to the top. Contact PCAA to donate and get involved today.